So, lady, today we're gonna get our buffers done, and then we're gonna watch the new episode of Pretty Little Liars. Gosh, I love that show. Oh, hey, Percy, what's up? Okay. Sorry, lady, that was Percy. Yeah, I don't know what's gotten into him. Be quiet, I'm on the phone. Lady, I gotta go. James! And this leaf fossil is more than 1 billion years old. Holy! It's way older than Chris McTrain. James! James!
Whoa, what is it, my girl?
Percy has turned into a bird, and he was annoying me while I was talking to Lady on the phone.
Whoa, that's even worse than the time I tried to climb Cranky.
Alright, listen up, Rugrats. Percy is turned into a bird, and he won't stop annoying everyone with his squawking. And just for that, we are all going to gang up on him and shoot him with this very sniper. Any questions? Oh, James, I have a question. Yes, what is it, Smudger? When you drink water through your nose, does it taste like boogers? Not in a bamillion jillion years, Smudger. I am going to beat you up right now.
Yeah, that's what happens, man. Yeah, that's what happens. Where's my money? You gonna give me my money? Where's my money, man? Where's the money? Yeah, you like that? That feel good? That feel good?
You cut that out right now, or else I'm gonna fart in your face.
Oh, I'm sorry, my girl.
Alright, troops, let's get Percy!
Hasta la vista, birdie.
Kiki! Go! Whoa, are you guys okay?
I had the most bizarre dream in the history of the world.
Yeah, me too. My dream was about that I turned into a bird and I was really annoying, and then James shot me with a shotgun.
Hey, I had the same exact dream as you.
Okay. You guys are weird.